Hello ladies, hello gents. Thank you for being here today. My name is Murielskinder and you know that I do not take your presence here for granted. It's been a minute that we've had a sit down video. I know. Bear with me. So, you know how when you buy something online you get all these surveys in the mail requesting for feedback. How did you like this product? How can we improve? What did you not like? What did you like? I got the survey in the mail recently and it got me thinking, if brands can request feedback in order to improve the brand, in order to do better in the future, have we ever thought about our spouses? And mind you, this topic doesn't only relate to people who are married, it applies to everyone because people do stuff for us and sometimes we tend to take it for granted. We tend to overlook it, or maybe we just say in our hearts that we like this thing, but then we don't tell the person how they made us feel. Because the more you tell people how you made them feel, the better they become. Everyone improves as they grow. Everyone changes. Everyone becomes a better version of themselves or a worse version of themselves. And the only way that we can grow and we can really thrive in a healthy environment is by getting feedback. If your spouse does something, you shouldn't only focus on the wrong things that they are doing, because sometimes we tend to focus on the wrong things and we are quick to tell someone what they've done that is wrong, but we are very slow to tell them what they did that was right. Imagine how you feel when someone gives you feedback, when they tell you that you've made them feel good, when they tell you that you've made them a better person. How does that make you feel? Giving your spouse feedback make them feel seen. It makes them feel noticed, because when you notice them, they will keep improving. They will do the things that you want them to do. When someone does something that is nice, that you like, that you think that is something out of the norm, always give that person feedback. Because the more you water the good things that someone is doing, the more they will do those good things for you. And the more they do good things for you, the better your connection. There is one recommendation that I always recommend to my friends that are married, right? And to anyone that would care to listen. That it is very important that as a couple, find the time to take time out away from the buzz and the noise so that you can reconnect with each other. My husband and I will be married for 10 years plus now, and every year on our anniversary, we take a trip. We take a trip somewhere just to reconnect, to get to know each other better, to value each other more. It's not that the trips are what is making us value each other, but this is a time that is just for us, away from everybody. And on these trips, we make sure we give each other feedback. How has the journey been? How was the last year? What is it that could have been done better? What is it that could have been said better? As individuals and as a couple, what are our goals? What are our aspirations? We talk about all these things because it is very important to get feedback. It is from these feedbacks that you can make changes. It is from this feedback that you can improve. It's from this feedback that you can know how to move forward, how the next year is going to look like. Someone may think that giving feedback is striking the other person's ego or making them feel all high and mighty. That's not the case. When you give people feedback, it helps them to improve on every area that you're giving feedback on. It helps them because everything can get better. It doesn't matter how good a thing is, it can definitely get better. It is important that we get this feedback because it helps us improve in the areas that we are falling short and magnify those areas that we are doing better. By the way, guys, I now have an Amazon store front where you can shop all the things that I use and that you like. So for example, this dress, I'm going to put it up here so that you can see. Let me push the camera a little bit. I don't know. So this is a skater dress. I got this dress from Amazon. It's just flowy. I'm gonna put a link in the description box. Also, the mic that I'm using is from Amazon. If you like the mic, you can also get it from my Amazon storefront. And when it comes to the lipsticks, you can get them on skinderbeauty.com. Actually, I'm trying to see if I can have it on Amazon. That way, if you're shopping other things, you can just add it to your cart. But now we don't have it on Amazon yet. So the only place where you can shop this lipstick is from www.skinderbeauty.com. I'm going to link it in the description box alongside the Amazon storefront link. That way you can explore. When we have new updates, I'm going to let you guys know. let you guys know on the new products that we're working on. Right now, we're working on blushes and other things. It is going to be an exciting journey. We are social beings. We thrive on feedback. We thrive on the words that comes out of the mouth of the people that we love the most. So feedback is very crucial for every relationship. Be it a relationship with your spouse, be it a relationship with your friends, be it a relationship with your family members. Do you tell your spouse that the sex was extremely good? Or do you just roll over the bed, get a shower, and then sleep? What do you do? How do you communicate? It is not a given that your spouse is going to manage your finances properly. What do you tell them when they are managing the home properly? What do you tell them when you feel like they are going on the right track? Do you appreciate them? Do you give them feedback? Do you tell them, babe, I like the way you're doing this. I like the way you do this with money. I like the way you do this. Because it is these feedbacks that are going to help them. If you're seeing someone doing something and you just shut your mouth and don't say anything, they don't know if they are doing the right thing. They don't know if they are pleasing you. They don't know if they should keep on that path or they should take a detour. When they are working hard on that dream that is going to make your life better, do you just sit down and look at them, or do you cheer them on? Say, for example, if your spouse is doing something that is not right, that you don't like, and you bring it to their attention that, babe, this thing that you've done or this thing that you keep on doing is not something that I care for. It's not something that I like. And then you see them making an improvement, changing, becoming better for you, doing the things that will make you happy, getting rid of those weaknesses. What do you do? Do you forget the fact that you actually told them about this thing and now they're improving? Or do you acknowledge the fact that they're improving on this area? Because it is very important that when we tell someone something, we always come back with a tick or an X. We had this conversation and now you're doing better. I appreciate that. I appreciate the fact that you're doing better for us. I appreciate the fact that you're doing better for me. That is you noticing them. Do you notice when they dress up? When they look pretty? Like right now. Are you noticing that I look good? That I'm putting on Resilient by Kinder Beauty? Did you notice that? Did you notice how this lipstick is popping? Do you appreciate the fact that I show up nice and clean for you guys? Do you say thank you? So these are the things that we need to do. It is very important that we give these feedbacks. These are the little things that we need to do to have healthy relationships. Because if a brand values feedback, what more of you and I? Go out there and have better relationships and better communications. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell, that way you know when we have new uploads. Share this video with your friends and family members. And have a fab one. Bye.